After 10 p.m., your future is being decided. Not in big, dramatic moments, but in small, quiet choices. The ones you think don't matter. You tell yourself you're just relaxing, just one video, just a few minutes. But it never stops there. Minutes turn into hours, sleep gets delayed, your mind stays restless. And the next day, you wake up tired, slow, unfocused, behind. So you skip the work, you avoid the hard tasks, you repeat the cycle. This is how your future gets destroyed, not by failure, but by patterns. You don't notice it at first because nothing feels serious in the moment, but every late night, every wasted hour is stealing from the person you're trying to become. You think you need more discipline in the morning. You don't. You need control at night, because nights are where standards drop, where excuses feel valid, where no one is watching except you. And that's the real test. Right now, your nights have no structure, no cutoff, no rules, so you drift from one distraction to another until your energy is gone and your time is wasted. If you want to fix your life, fix your nights first. Set a hard cutoff time. Decide when your day ends and respect it. Put your phone away. Turn off the noise. Create a simple night routine. Read, reflect, prepare for tomorrow. Make it boring if you have to, because boring builds discipline, and discipline builds your future. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. You'll want to go back, to scroll, to escape. Don't. Sit with the silence. Own your time. Take control back. Because every night you win, the next day becomes easier, more focused, more intentional, more powerful. And over time, that version of you compounds, stronger, sharper, unstoppable. Or you keep doing what you're doing now. Stay up late, waste time, wake up tired, and slowly become someone you never wanted to be. So tonight, after 10 p.m., you have a choice. Protect your future or destroy it. No noise, only discipline.